Kenya ziongozwe na kampani mbalimbali.
Speaker wa bunge Justin Muturi augite atiwe arutite wira gatiba mugaro makaya maria makoretwo magikio ni ngwatano ya mung'ethaniro no kumeneria murutire wira wake.
But when I'm out here, I'm not on any chair, as you can see. So I belong somewhere. So, I mean, it must be understood. I've had some people criticizing me that, oh, this guy is being seen in the Jubilee functions. But, Your Excellency, hapa sio bunge.
No agatitiriria ati we no mumemba wa kiama kia Jubilee kuona ati nikio kia mwagikireta speaker wa bunge ya bũrũri. Ona kuri guo nereganite na mĩario ya kwendera mwena wa Jubilee gĩkĩro-inĩ kia bunge.
Kosa kuja mahala nyumbani ati kwa sababu makamu wa rais yako hapo na wanajua ushawishi wake mkubwa sana kisiasa. Kwa hivyo wanasema ukimwona hapo basi, kwa hivyo huyu mtu si dependent, ni dependent namna gani? Hapa sio nini? Hapa sio bunge. Na kule bunge ni kura watu wanapiga. Mkiwa wachache mjue mtashindwa.
Muturi ningĩ akaunga atĩ na kĩhoto ta Mũkenya o wothe gũkorwo gĩkuruni na kĩama o gĩothe gĩa kĩũteti gĩa gĩikaro kĩa bunge.
Because that Article 37 allows Kenyans that much freedom, we must appreciate that every freedom also comes with responsibility.
No ningĩ nĩamenerie ngwatanĩro ya mũng'ethanĩro kumana na mũrũgamo wa igũrũ rĩa mũrutĩre wĩra wake. Ona mũtongoria wa ingĩ bunge-inĩ ya Senate Kindiki Kithure nĩatĩtithĩtie thirikari no ĩgũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyita mbaru Muturi wĩra-inĩ wake.
Akuwe speaker mara ya pili 2017 because he has done a good job, na kwa niaba yangu na mwenzangu wa National Assembly Aden Duale, the Jubilee family and all of us supports you, na tunaomba Deputy President na President pia watuunge mkono Justin Muturi apate second term kuwa speaker wa National Assembly. Eresho manari kaunti-inĩ ya Embu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtũreko na Macharia wa Gachuru.
Sasa acha nitenevua hapa kidogo.